I am Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're in my office, but more importantly, today we are talking about chlorophyll. It is one of my favorite superfoods for a good reason. So, liquid chlorophyll looks something like this. We are not sponsored by a brand. I do not have a favorite brand. Any liquid chlorophyll you find is going to be great. This one happens to be Nature's Way. This is what it looks like, if you can see here. Liquid chlorophyll is great for so many things. Number one, it helps oxidize and alkaline your blood. What that does is it helps reduce inflammation. When that happens, you have more energy and you feel better. You feel lighter. You just have a better day. So as you can see, it's kind of a domino effect, right? Higher alkalinity means less inflammation, which means more energy, overall better quality of life. So if you're looking for something easy to do, to add into your diet, to add into your daily routine, liquid chlorophyll is the winner. It's super cost effective, it's not an expensive add-on, and it's super easy to add in. You can just put a few drops, or like a teaspoon to a tablespoon in your water, which works really well, especially for people who don't love drinking plain water, because chlorophyll has a natural mint flavor. Adding it to your water gives your water a nice minty taste, which tastes pretty good. So add some to your water. If you don't like that idea, you can add it to a smoothie. You could make like a shot with it. Like at Plant, we do detox shots. So we sell, it's just chlorophyll mixed with fresh lemon juice. It tastes pretty good. So lots of easy ways. But anyway, liquid chlorophyll, add it to your water or to a smoothie, or take it like a shot, whatever works. But just remember, it helps alkaline your blood, which gives you more, less inflammation, which gives you more energy. So check this out. Try it for a month. See how you feel. Let me know, because I'll be curious what differences you notice. Be sure to hit the subscribe button after watching this video. Share it with a friend who needs a little boost in their lifestyle. And I will see you next time.